Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, Costco has tons of toys. Check out this drone here, only 50 bucks. I did an unboxing and a whole fly video of this awesome drone. Check it out. Go to Costco early. You'll see this awesome drone. I'll leave a video link down below. You'll see that. It's the whole unboxing. It's really kind of cool. You gotta watch that. Only 50 bucks. Really great deal. I love this thing. It's really cool. This drone rocks. So check out that video. Enjoy that. It's really kind of cool. Also, they have tons and tons of toys now at Costco. So if you're looking for toys, puzzles, games, you name it, it has so many different things. So here's a whole video of pretty much what they have, some pricing, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 50, all kinds of cool toys, ride-on toys, you name it, they have so many cool things. Really big now, Harry Potter. This is like a calendar, I believe. Yeah, it has a really kind of a cool calendar. So Star Wars, they have so many cool things. So check out your local Costco. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. I do appreciate you, as always, watching all my cool videos about Costco and all my fun shenanigans that I do on my channel. Love it. Leave some comments down below if you're enjoying my videos. Also, let me know what you're thinking of buying this holiday for yourself, someone special, or your children. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what's going on with that. Also, if you shop in Costco, what do you like better, Costco or BJ's? That's another little poll I'm doing. Costco or BJ's? That's another one. Here's some. Look at this Star Wars thing. 10. So it's ages 10 plus on this one here. Looks like some cool Yoda. I don't know. Cool. This really Super Mario. Little remote control cars. I mean, they have so many cool things, and the prices aren't bad. Not bad at all. Again, this is age 6 plus or everything, and everything with Costco, as you know, and hopefully you do know this, that you can return anytime. So if you're not happy with the product, or if you're not happy with the quality, take it right back, and they'll take it back. No questions asked. Costco is awesome for that as well. Here's cool. This is a nice little Scrabble game. I saw this deluxe Scrabble moving board, the deluxe board. Those are really good. Those are really cool. I love those. That's a great game. And 50 bucks too. You can't beat that. Everywhere else is like $200. So Costco does have the best prices. This little guy is everywhere. Every time I turn around, this is like this Baby Yoda. I'm not really sure what this thing's all about, but it's everywhere. Remote control. They have games. They have puppets. They have toys. I mean, all kinds of cool stuff. $21.99. Great deal, great prices as well. Well, I'll let you watch, enjoy it. I'll come back later, we'll chat later. Here's another little one. I mean, it's just crazy stuff, just so cute though. Alright guys, so enjoy the video. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me so I can continue doing these videos and helping you. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video, just showing you all the different toys and different kind of cool things they have at your local Costco. So like I said, I was walking in there the other day, so let me just make a really nice video and just show everybody, all my fans and all the people that subscribe to my channel, what Costco has. And they have a ton, and they have a lot of toys this year, a real lot. They have a kind of Hover Star 360, which is kind of a cool, like a little drone that you kind of control with your hand, which is kind of cool. I like that. Just a lot of different stuff. Here's $49.99. This laser tag, like a laser Quest or Laser X, whatever you want to call it. Comes with 2 guns, probably the targeting things, all that kind of stuff, and all that kind of they have all that kind of cool stuff. A Nerf gun, $16.99 for 2 guns, and that's actually very good. Elite 2.0, I think it's called. So that's really nice quality. Everything, like you know, with Costco, everything is kind of cool. This almost looks like a paintball, but probably for like softball kind of thing, like a paintball gun, but it's not. So that's kind of like a Nerf thing. So it's really a lot of different. This is really cool, different stuff. 4K little action camera for kids. You know, instead of getting them a $500 GoPro, get them that little action cam for $34.99. That's a great deal, right? 4K camera. Start out with that. The kids like to go skateboarding. Listen, if they break it, 35 bucks. You bring it back to Costco if it's broken. Don't forget, unlimited return. Tons and tons of stuff. There's aisles and aisles of just, it goes forever. So much stuff. Cars, remote control, toys. I like this Mario Kart remote control. This is kind of cool. I love that little RC for kids. 50 bucks. Not bad. Little dollhouse setup. This is really nice. $159.99. You can see it's really kind of cute. It's got little houses. I guess you can put it all together. It's kind of big. You know, it's big. Made by KidCraft. That's kind of nice too. This is kind of cool. I don't know if you played with this sand. I think slimy sand's kind of cool. That's fun. This fire truck, I couldn't stop. You saw this in the beginning. I couldn't stop playing with this thing. It's like really kind of cute. Little things come out. I think it's Paw Patrol. I think that's really popular. So this is the Paw Patrol Fire Department. Kids love Paw Patrol. I don't know if you went on YouTube at all. You type in Paw Patrol, it's everywhere. It's crazy. $50 comes with all the game, all the kids, you know, all the characters. Fire truck, really nice, and I love to play with it. Yes, makes that fire truck sound. You gotta love that. So cool, so cool. The kids would just love to hit the ladder. I guess it goes up and down. You can drive it around. Makes the noise. Really kind of cool. Yeah, that's enough of that. Okay, so you get the idea behind that. It's kind of cool. This is a nice little tent. And the prices range, like, you know, reasonable price, not terrible. And you can always return it. Here's something really nice for the arts and crafts. If you like to do arts and crafts and drawing, which is really nice, $21.49. And they have tons of stuff, so check out your local Costco. Every region is different. Every location is different. Some Costcos are bigger, some Costcos are smaller, so check your local Costco, see what they have, and go early. I definitely suggest going early with the situation going on with the things, you know, with the whole crunch going on with the containers or something. I don't know. So go early, because who knows when they're going to run out, and you'll be out of luck. So go early. I saw people filling up their carts like crazy. I was there, and this was like beginning of November, okay? They're filling up their carts. They're buying things like wild. So if you're looking to do your holiday shopping, I suggest go early. Again, if you are enjoying the videos, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. That really helps me out quite a bit. Also, leave some comments. That does help me out, so I can continue making these videos and bringing my experience about Costco to you, so you can relax and watch at home and see what they have in the store, so you can just make your educated decision and see what you want to do. So it's kind of cool. Costco has all kinds of fun stuff, as you can see. Here's a lot of Barbie stuff. My granddaughter calls it Garby with a G. So I want Garby, she says. So this is a lot of Barbie stuff they have here. $36.99 for that Barbie adventure. And they have all kinds of fun, cool stuff. Now here's a cool thing here. A set of 3 Care Bears. Care Bears. I think I've seen them in stores for like $20 a piece. Here's a set of 3 for like $20.99, I believe. Great deal. So you can't go wrong with that. Like I said, shop Costco, shop early. And that's it. That's all I gotta say, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I appreciate your time as always. Hey, and I'll see you at the next review. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video is ready.